Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to copy a link of the selected TikTok, and first and foremost we need to go to the TikTok app. As you can see right now we are on our home page where we have the TikTok we want to share with our friends, for example. So to do it smoothly, let's tap on the share option, which is located on the right side of the screen. And as you can see we have the copy link feature. If you don't have this button here, you just only have to swipe the appeared list to the right side and pick on this button. Wait a minute please, our link is copied now. So to use it and to paste it, you just only have to go to the messenger and paste our copied link on the needful bar. So let's send it, and well done. Right now you know how to smoothly share the video you want using just only a link. So guys, don't forget about likes, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube, and of course, as I said, of course I like this word, HardReset.Info channels. Good luck, bye bye.